Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Makeover Monday. So again, today we're not really doing a makeover recipe, but we are going to do something healthy, something fast, quick, fun that you can do with the kids or for the kids for Halloween. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, fun, and Halloween, go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the description below. You can find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. Okay, I had a bunch of little containers of peaches and pears and other little fruits that I had gotten from the school when they were dropping off lunches when they let out school last year because of COVID. And I saved up a bunch of them. I made some jelly that was delicious and I was going to do that again. And then I thought, wait a minute, we can take these peaches and pears and we can make a little parfait. So that's what we're going to do. Really quick, simple, easy. The kids can do this. So I've got some pears here. So these are just like canned pears or like the kind that you get that they come in a pack of 6 and they have the little peel, you know, like you put in the lunch boxes. So just like that. And you know, instead of the pears, you could probably use like pineapple, any kind of fruit that's yellow. You could probably even do maybe bananas. And then on top of this, I'm putting peaches. So any kind of fruit that's yellow and then any kind of fruit that's kind of orange. And then for the white layer, you could do a couple of different things. You could do some whipped cream if you wanted to be not so healthy. So because we are trying to keep it healthy, I decided to go with a little bit of yogurt. And then I feel like, you know, the kids are good and they eat all their fruit. They should get like a little treat, right? So I've got just a couple little candy corn here to place on top. Oh, one's broken. I should probably eat that one. We'll take that out and eat it. So cute, right? Really cute. Mostly healthy, except for the candy corns, I think. But isn't that cute? So easy to do. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was really quick today, but like I said, fast, easy, fun for Halloween. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments. I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.